30 days using Snow White, lightening the transformation stages with real before and after results. Hi, I'm Laura and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm sharing the real-time 30 days usage on a skin lightening lotion and its stage-by-stage transformation results. I'll be leaving the link below to purchase this handmade products if you're interested in skin lightening. Disclaimer: this content is focused on skin lightening and brightening. If that's not your area of interest, feel free to skip. But if you're curious about real natural results, this video is for you. But if you're interested in skin brightening and skin lightening, hit the subscribe button and let's dive into the process. Let's break down the 30-day journey. Week 1. The first impressions, popular known as the Stage 1. Our user started with a dulled, uneven skin tone and hyperpigmentation. After a few uses, she reported that the lotion felt lightweight, absorbed quickly, and left her skin feeling plump and moisturized. No stickiness, no irritation, just instant hydration, she shared. The first week of using a skincare product is all about how it feels, how your skin responds initially, and whether it fits naturally into your routine. For many users, this is the make or break stage, especially for those with sensitive or reactive skin. In the case of our featured customer, she began the 30-day journey with concerns about dullness, uneven skin tone, and visible hyperpigmentation. She had tried many lightening products in the past, some of which caused irritation or left a greasy film on her skin. But right from the start, Grerivian Snow White and Velvety Facial Repair stood out. Although no major visible brightening had occurred yet, she felt encouraged by how her skin was responding calmly and positively to the product. This early stage is crucial. It builds trust in the product. Note: if you're mainly looking to brighten, smooth, and clear your face, the Velvety Facial Repair would be the perfect option to start with. And it's just $65. It's gentle, effective, and specially made for facial skin. Just a quick note: the Snow White lotion, which is silver bottle in the photo, is designed for the body and not recommended for use on the face. The beautiful facial transformation you saw from our customer in the video was actually achieved using only the Velvety Facial Repair, which is the gold jar in the photo. So we always suggest sticking with the product that's made for that area to get the best and safest results. Week 2. Adjustment phase. During the second week, she experienced a mild purge. If you notice, her brightening undertone starts emerging, heading to a smoother finish. I noticed a couple of small breakouts, which I expected. My skin was adjusting. I didn't panic. I stayed consistent. And in this stage, it's common introducing active brightening ingredients into your skin. As the skin begins to purge impurities, dead skin cells, trapped oil, and toxins may rise to the surface. This can cause unevenness, small breakouts, or texture changes, especially in areas prone to congestion, like the cheeks, chin, or forehead. Rather than getting discouraged, the customer understood that this was part of the process, not a failure. This awareness is critical. Many users give up at this stage, mistaking the adjustment as irritation. The customer stayed consistent with her routine, applying the lotion daily and avoiding harsh treatments or switching products, which may cause damage to the skin. Now, this is where the real magic begins. Week 3. Visible and noticeable results. Begin. By now, the real glow was beginning. Dark spots were fading, and her skin tone looked more even. She said, "People started asking what I was using. My glow was becoming extremely noticeable." Comparing both week 2 and 3. Week 3 is often the most exciting stage of any skincare journey. After the adjustment phase in week 2, the skin starts to settle, heal, and reveal the benefits of consistent care. For our featured customer, this was the turning point where her transformation became visible to both herself and others. By the third week of using Grerivian Snow White Lightening Lotion, the active brightening and hydrating ingredients had built up enough effect to visibly fade dark spots and soften uneven pigmentation. Her overall skin tone started looking more balanced, smoother, and naturally radiant. And this is just the beginning. Week 4. Something you want to see at this point is where customer decides if they want to maintain their skin tone or continue the lightening process. After 30 days, the transformation was clear. 1. Brighter, more even complexion. 2. Reduced hyperpigmentation. 3. Improved texture and hydration. 4. Radiant skin without makeup. 5. Increased confidence and clarity. And she said, I've tried so many products, but this is the first one that actually made a visible difference. At this stage in the journey, with visible results showing, skin tone more even, and glow beginning to take hold, this is the point where many users pause and ask themselves, do I want to maintain this tone or continue with deeper lightening? And that's an important decision. Some customers are satisfied with the brighter, clearer skin they've achieved by week 4 and choose to maintain that result by using the product 2 to 3 times a week instead of daily. Some order vitamin C lotion as their regular daily cream to cover up space. Others, who are aiming for a more progressive lightening effect, continue their daily application and transition into week 5 and beyond with consistency. If you're not looking to make your skin any lighter, this is the phase to start your maintenance routine. But if you're still curious and want to see just how much more your skin can transform, continue watching the video. Stage 5. The glow becomes unmistakable. By stage 5, the transformation had gone beyond just brightness. Her skin now had a consistent, radiant tone, and the lingering dark patches had faded significantly. At this point, the product wasn't just correcting, it was refining. Her skin felt glass-like in texture, smooth, soft, and pore-refined. Balanced. No oiliness, no dryness, just supple and even visibly clear. Blemishes had calmed, and new breakouts were rare. You know a product is working when you no longer reach for foundation every day. Her skin was speaking for itself. The glow wasn't just visible, it was consistent, dependable, and effortless. This stage became a period of confidence building, where the user began sharing her results with others and even recommending the product based on her own lived experience. Now comparing week 1 and week 5, can y'all see the difference? How unique can you classify the transformation? Shocking, right? If you're not interested in intensive, please maintain your skin tone, because Grerivian Snow White doesn't have a lightening limit. We always warn our customers. Guys, this is a real journey, a real transformation. This wasn't just a skincare routine. It was a journey, from dullness to clarity, from self-doubt to confidence. Over the course of 30 to 37 days, we witnessed real skin changes, not exaggerated, just honest, visible results, one stage at a time. From first impressions to the final radiant glow, the Grerivian Snow White Lightening Lotion proved itself to be more than just another product. It became a source of healing, renewal, and true skin confidence. So, whether you're ready to maintain your tone or continue your brightening journey, remember, consistency pays off. Your glow is possible. You deserve to feel beautiful in your own skin. If this inspired you or you're ready to start your own transformation, link on the below to get a 10% off your first order and subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, and share it with someone who needs to see real skincare results. Thank you so much for watching this 30-day skin transformation using the Grerivian Snow White Lightening Lotion presented by Laura. We're excited to continue bringing you real skincare journeys, honest product reviews, and transformation stories that inspire confidence and clarity. This video is just one of many in our skincare series, so if you enjoyed this one, we have more related videos waiting for you. From brightening routines to product deep dives, from Q&As to raw testimonials, you can explore everything: skin, beauty, and personal glow-up. We want to hear from you. What other skincare topics would you like us to talk about? Is it how to build a simple routine, spot treatment for dark areas, ingredients that actually work, transitioning from lightening to maintenance, natural skincare tips? Drop your ideas and questions in the comments below. We read everything, and we're building this channel for the community, with the community. Laura will be here for the next transformation journey, and we'd love to have you on it.